Are you ready for drawers number 7 from our advent calendars? On the second Sunday in Advent, actually. So we are getting closer to Christmas. Are you ready? Let's start with Harrods back here. What do we have from Harrods today? Oh, from Shiseido, Ginza, Tokyo. Future Solution LX, Total Protective Cream, SPF 30. So it looks like this. Oh, I like this packaging from Shiseido. It's so beautiful. Take a look at this. And this is 15 mils or 0.54 ounces. So that's what I like about the advent calendar. You get so many new products and new brands to choose to try. But Charlotte Tilbury is not new to us. Beautiful packaging as always. I guess it's lip gloss. Oh, with this heart-formed doe foot. And it's in the shade Pillow Talk. It had to be Pillow Talk. It's really subtle. It looks almost clear to me. And then from Cult Beauty, number 7. What do they have? Oh yeah, I like this. So this is from HOURGLASS. This one. So this is Instant Extensions Mascara, Ultra Black. So that's the one. 0.17 ounces, 5 grams. And then from SpaceNK, this is from WESTMAN ATELIER. It's Baby Cheeks Blush Stick in Dao Dao. It looks like this. Let me just do a swatch for you. And I like this magnetic closing. So that's the color. And as you can see, products are filling up. And remember, we are having giveaways. So one of these products could be yours. All you have to do is be active and leave some comments and tell me what you think, what kind of product you would like. The chance of being picked out is really, really great. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Hi you guys, welcome to my breakfast. Isn't this kind of fun? I'm not used to this setup, you know. So, okay, let's try another one. This was really delicious. I haven't had a sandwich like this in many years. Cheers. This is so cozy, you guys. I usually don't do this. I'm terrible with breakfast, I have to say. It's in a rush and on the way. So this is really nice. And I'm just going to eat this now, and then we can talk a little bit later. And I have this blasting hot tea. I think it's too hot for me right now. I think I have to save it for later. Oh yeah. It's just way too hot. It almost feels like I'm in a hotel and having hotel breakfast. It almost feels like that. And this was really easy to make. You saw it, it's so easy and so tasteful. And I added some chili on top just to get some. I like it. You didn't come here to see me eat, right? So that food was actually really nice. I haven't had a cheese sandwich in so many years. But that was so delicious. So I think you can call it a brunch. I haven't done this before, so I thought maybe it would have been good to have some questions from you. But I'll do the basics right now. I'm actually 59 years old, and it hurts me to say that. I'm almost 60. But I'm enjoying life. I'm an MD, medical doctor. I've been working with internal medicine and as a GP for many years. And I really enjoy that. But now I'm spending more and more time on YouTube, and I'm trying to build up this channel. My passion at the moment is skincare and makeup. I haven't always been like that, because when I was younger, I had a beautiful skin. Well, actually, when I was really young, I had some acne with some breakouts, but since adulthood, I haven't had any problems with my skin. It's always been so nice, and everyone has been commenting and how beautiful skin I have. So it was kind of a shock when I turned, or actually when I passed 50, and I saw it in my own face that, wow, this is not good. And when a friend of mine who is a plastic surgeon told me that your skin looks really bad and you need a facelift, I was like, what? Are you serious? I don't want to do a facelift already. So that's when I started building up my skin again. And it took me a couple of years actually. And it is still, I don't know, it's hydrated now, but it's like, it's so weird. And also the lines and wrinkles, they are, yeah, the weirdest things actually. They are coming and going, and yeah. But I'm also done the Medicube skin device, the HR Booster Pro, and that helped my skin a lot. But then I took a break from that to be ready for the next skin device. And as you know, I'm testing out the Laduaro Lumeo skin device at the moment, and it looks really good so far. That's me so far. I grew up in Norway. I've been living different places in Europe and in the US. That's also why I'm concentrating on the US market, because that's what I know. And as you saw in my earlier videos, I have my little dog. He's not that little actually, it's a golden retriever. His name is Louis and he's 7 years old. I love him to death. Earlier in my life, I have been up and down in weight, as you can also see on my body with all the loose skin. I can tell you more about that later on, why I don't do surgery on it, but I've done some surgery and it kind of scared me. So I have to live with the rest of my loose skin, I guess. So that's a short introduction to who I am. I will try to make this channel a little bit more, not just makeup and how to apply makeup and everything, and not just skincare. I want to go a little bit deeper, and also now that all of the or many of the makeup brands are actually adding quite active ingredients to their foundations. Remember one video where I used the Dior Nude foundation, and my skin just looked so nice after using it for many hours. That was not how I remember makeup back in the 80s, 90s. But when I was young, SPF was not anything to talk about. And we even had these horrible sunbeds that we were lying down in and just frying ourselves. So no wonder the skin is not looking too good. But that's how it was back then. And when we went to the beach, we hardly had any sunscreen, maybe just SPF 4 or 6, because we wanted to get tanned. And we didn't get tanned, we got burned. So yeah, we are going forward, and I'm so happy to see that young people today are so much better at using SPF than I was and my generation. Remember that from now on. If you haven't been good with your SPF, it is vital. And when you're young, even if your skin is beautiful, it is so vital to put that on, because the sun is a huge contributor to destroying your skin actually. It's not just age. Sun is a major factor in this. The winner from Friday's giveaway will be announced on our YouTube channel in our community. Just go to the posts and I will announce it there, and I will also contact the winner. And the winning chance is huge, you guys. If you haven't commented already, just continue commenting, because this will just add up to the next giveaway. So you will have more chances to win, but please don't spam the message system. But remember, use it. Ask me questions, comment what you liked, what you didn't like. Do you have an advent calendar yourself? What was in your advent calendar today? And so on. And just follow. There will be more giveaways, at least 4 more before Christmas. And as always, I have my links in the description box below if there is anything that you're interested in buying. That is completely up to yourself. I understand that some of you may have a really hard time economically now, so that's completely up to you. But if you decide to buy some beauty products, I appreciate it if you can use one of my links. I'll see you again tomorrow for the next unboxing of my advent calendars. And if you like this, with me talking a little bit about myself, we can do that again, and when I get more comfortable, maybe we can do a live. Just let me know. What do you think? Should we do a live? Should I continue like I do now? What would you like to see on this channel? So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.